What up, y'all? About to show you some my characters on Final Fantasy Tactics. Let's see here. There's a lot that goes on in this game. I just want to record this once, guys. All right. My guys are strong. They got this. They got the smoke, man. Watch. It's a technique I do, which is helps me upgrade my guys. I just kind of, you'll see. That guy is level 41, so I'm going to do it to him. See how much experience I get. And he levels up. This guy is crazy. Just insane, dude. He's got these boots on that make him disappear like that. Assassins are hard to kill, but if he does anything to her, I'm going to be impressed. Yep, 143 HP taken, dude. That's like half her energy, more than half, dude. This guy does a lot of damage too. McEnroe. You ain't macking, yo. You ain't macking me. He ain't smacking me. Oh, he smacketh me. Dude, watch him do this right back to him. Here you go. My guys are BA, man. They are bad. Oh, I'm telling you, this guy's just crazy. My brain. His name is Brain. He's crazy.
Bless you, kitty.
My cat sneezed just now.
Sit was. Sit with buddy.
Oh. Oh, he's trying to just take me out now. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back. Oh, you guys want me to burp, don't you? I'm not playing around. Nils, get him. Get him, Nils. What? You kidding me? Was that a copycat or something? Oh, he's using a broadsword. That's why. I don't know how I'm going to win this. Don't know how I'm going to win this. I had to do it. I'm going to destroy him. Watch. I got this. Sorry, there's no sound. Sorry. Wow. Wow. Seven. Wow, that's a lot. All right, let's see if I can destroy. Yeah, buddy. Got him. Ha-ha! Got him. Got him. Mac and roll. You ain't macking nobody. You ain't smacking nobody. Bolt breath. More like onion breath. Woo! I'm getting out of here with a haste. I'm getting out of here with haste. Oh yeah, see, I'm killing, dude. This is why I recorded it, because I'm on a roll, dude. I'm telling you, my guys have a bone to pick, and they are not to be messed with. Spencer will get back to his own world. He will get back to his own world. If you know the storyline, they'll know what I'm talking about. What was that? Hey, get down, Kitty! Stop it! Get down! No! Knocking things over. Sorry. Moglance. Whoa! My mom hates this. My mom hates it right now. She's trying to sleep, so I can't do it for long. Can't do it for very long. Sorry. But anyway, I closed the door, so. Diana. You going down, Diana?
I work already.
Adramelech. Let's get him. Adramelech. Yeah, give him that dragon breath. Woo! Dragon breath. Oh man, that smells pretty bad, dude. What did you eat? Woo! What did you eat? Go down. You're going down? Ha! It's the end of these guys.
Kapopo, you got me. Boss, I'll leave them to you.
All right, Bardo Band 1. Why is it called Bardo Band? Bardo Band 1? I just don't get this mission. I am not called Bardo Band. My name is Cosmics. We are the Cosmics. Okay, I got a little work to do. Hold on. Wow. So many pop-ups. Oh, geez, it's like ads. They're like ads, dude. Okay, this guy is literally learning everything. Okay. This guy's learning everything. They already learned beatdown. This is the fun part because I have to figure out which ones you've already done.
Yeah.
Well, see all my guys? These are all my guys. This is so much, takes so much time, dude. My life. All right, I think that's good. You think I'm gonna go down here. Oh, there's someone I can tear into. Let's do one more battle. How about that?
Let's not. It's very good.
See, 46 hours into the game. Well, that's where I'm at. Let you guys enjoy that. I'll make some more videos later. Take care, y'all. Keep going for your goals and keep dreaming. Love life. Stay safe. God bless.